Welcome to Talk of the Town. I'm Robin Zimmerman. We have a very interesting guest next on our program. It's Jordan Lemon, and he has a wrap company. It's Hilton Head Wrap Company, and it's wrapping vehicles, trucks, cars, boats, putting signage on these roving billboards. So welcome. I'm really excited to hear about your company.
Thank you. I'm really excited to be here.
Yes,
Thank you for having me.
Born and raised Hilton Head.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what gave you said you've been in your business over a year. What gave you the desire to break out and do something like this?
After high school here, I moved up to North Carolina, and I got a job there at a sign shop and started as a production assistant, and eventually became the production manager, and that's who did all the vehicle wraps. And I fell in love with that aspect of it, and so that was 10 years ago this year. So when I came back about 3 years ago, I just went ahead and started the venture on my own, and I'm amazed at how, I'm very grateful how well we're doing.
So that's kind of scary to start your own company, but
It is.
you have to just jump in, take that risk, and now look at the benefits.
I know, it's amazing, to think back a year ago.
Right.
I never thought that we'd be rolling like this. It's really crazy. And
That's wonderful. So why is it important for a business to wrap?
so the amount of eyes that you get, if it's a commercial wrap, there's a ton of different aspects to wrapping your vehicle or your boat, but if it's a commercial wrap for your business, the amount of eyes that you get on your vehicle defeats any other advertising you could possibly do.
Right.
Whether it's just sitting in your parking lot overnight when no one's there, it doesn't
That's
really,
true.
Yeah, it doesn't matter where it is, there's going to be at least one set of eyes on it at all times, so.
And are you full service, Jordan? In other words, I come with an idea, I want to wrap my boat with my company, but I don't know how to design, I don't know what colors, and then you just kind of guide the customer through the service?
Exactly. We like to make every client feel like it's a partnership almost. It's a collaboration.
Very good.
So we bring them into the process. We have a very streamlined process of design. We have 30 plus years of design experience under our roof, and then we also handle print and install. So it's a full in-house service that we are trying to build.
And you said earlier you've got a really experienced, great team.
We do.
That handles all of this, which you have to have. Right?
Yeah, I couldn't do it without them, that's for sure. So we have, like I said, 30 plus years of experience under our roof, and if not some of the best in the country, I'd say definitely some of the best installers and wrappers on the East Coast. So I'm very blessed.
So you've got a niche. So is there anybody else doing this in this area, or?
So the wrap industry was born in the sign industry.
Yes.
It is now kind of taking its own avenue,
Right.
and I'm the first wrap company here in
Okay.
Hilton Head Island.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So beyond vehicles, do you have a vision for other things that could be wrapped? And again, are there restrictions? I don't know.
There's no restrictions. I think the best thing about this industry is it really teaches people that you cannot think too small, to think big. We just did a helicopter last month, Fly HHI. If you see it, if you look up, you'll probably see it around the island.
Cool.
It's beautiful. And then right now we have a bus in our garage. Like I said, you can't think too small when it comes to this stuff. So
Now, do you have a sales person or team that goes out or or mostly people come to you, find out about you?
it's kind of both ways.
Okay.
I handle all the sales, and I like working one-on-one with the client. That's kind of I've grown a huge passion into the whole business side of it,
Right.
and selling
Very good.
my own passion, if that makes sense.
Very good. And you said it's a partnership. You really care about making the customer happy.
Yes, exactly. We don't want to treat every job like it's a 9 to 5, like you're
Right.
a one-off job. We like to treat it like it's really specialty work, and
Yes.
that we will work long hours, meet your deadlines.
Yes. Well, I love having success stories on our program, and graduate, you go to North Carolina, you learn the business, you come back home, and you start your own business. And I think that's fabulous. And
Thank
so
you so much.
congratulations
I appreciate
to
it.
you, and good luck in your future success.
I'm excited.
With HH Wrap Company, and the website should be on the screen, is wraphiltonhead.com. Thanks, Jordan.
Thank you.